Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Shireen with another tutorial, Adobe Illustrator for Fashion. One of my favorite processes, just getting started with thinking about surface design. We're going to do really basic stripes and plaids. So I already just set myself up with a couple artboards, got myself some inspiration, a really basic stripe to get started with, and you're going to see me use grayscale rather than color because a lot of times we get really focused on a specific color without really appreciating the design of the stripe or the plaid. So I'm going to kind of use some kind of a mid-tone, a couple little darker colors, a really pop, a darker, and another mid-tone. So that's going to be using my grays here. So let's get started. I'm going to make a very basic rectangle shape to kind of represent that sort of mid-size shape. And all I'm going to do is Command C, and instead of Command V to paste another stripe, I'm going to do Command F because that makes that pastes right in front of where the other object was. So that means that when I pull, here's a trick, you have to have your bounding box showing. Do you have your bounding box showing? If not, you can go to View. Make sure you have bounding box. Okay, so this one says Hi Bounding Box. I've got mine showing. If you have your bounding box showing, and if you've done Command C, Command F to paste in front, you can also get that from Edit, Paste in Front. If you've done that, you can grab that handle of that bounding box and check it out. Just click and grab, and that's my second stripe. Watch me do it again. I'm going to grab a little bit darker gray, Command C, Command F. Grab that handle, pull it down, and I'm going to grab a lighter gray. Okay, so Command C, Command F. And theoretically, too, I could actually just copy if I wanted to be really exact. These look like they're about the same size, so I could copy. I could probably just copy and paste that exact stripe over and over again, but I'm doing this to kind of show you how to do that. Command C, Command F, copy, paste in front. So what's this exact? I want it to be the same color. How do I sample that same color? Eyedropper, of course. So grab the eyedropper. I have one more to go. Command C, Command F. And I'm going to make this one a little bit darker. That's going to be my darkest stripe. And here we go, the last one, Command C, Command F. How do you like that? That is my last stripe. I think this one kind of looks, so this kind of looks like I have some of the representational midtones, lights, shadows of that stripe. So what I would do is I would go under Window, open up my Swatches panel, and for my swatches, you'll normally see them looking like this. You can grab you'll find your colors, you can find patterns, you can find groups. This is now going to be a pattern swatch, and pattern swatches are the best. All you have to do is pick up all of the pieces by selecting, making a selection box over the whole thing, click and drag over the whole thing, and watch this, it's going to go so fast. Drag and drop. See that little pattern swatch there? It says pattern swatch. So what I'm going to do is, here are the actual, each one is an actual individual stripe. I'm going to put that off to the side. And then I'm just going to make myself a big old swatch, big old box. I could fill that box with color. I could fill that box with a gradient, but I'm going to fill it with, get ready for it, my stripe. So that's the stripe that I just made. I'm going to keep these as small little quick tips so that you can check out the next video, check out how I'm going to make that a plaid also in just a few minutes, and it's going to be really easy. So again, like I said, some of the tips, get yourself some inspiration. Work primarily in grayscale at the beginning so you release yourself of thinking about colors. Make sure again too that your stripes don't have a stroke. They should just have a fill. And the last thing I'll say real quick, let's say for example Command C, Command F. What if I made like a tiny little stripe like that? If I zoom out and that stripe, it's really hard to grab that bounding box. You might end up with like a, there it is. You see that space in between? So what I would recommend for those smaller stripes, really zoom in as much as you can. And then, nope, it's not enough. It's really hard to do those smaller ones. Oh, I didn't do my Command C, Command F. No wonder. Command C, Command F. Done. Okay, so that's how you can make sure that there's no space in between. All right, so that's it. Under 5 minutes, quick tip. You made your first stripe. Can't wait to see what you create. Any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And as usual, if you like this video, please be sure to like and subscribe so that I can try to create more videos. All right, thanks. See you in the next video. Good luck.